Okay, Emilia, it is your turn. So look how beautiful your sim is. Let's bring you inside the house and we will take care of our class pets. Okay, first, let's see. Oh, something's wrong with Rosie. Let's ask her what's wrong. What's wrong, Rosie? What? Rosie looks afraid of something. She just needs a minute to calm herself down. Oh, okay, we can do that. We'll give her some time, and why don't we go take care of Patches in the meantime? So Patches, what did you wanted to feed Patches? Okay, we can do that. We'll call Patches over. There she is. Hey, Patches. Let's feed her. Call to eat. She's very hungry. She hasn't eaten in a while. Super. Let's see how fast she eats. Wow. She was starving. And let's see if there is food in here for Rosie. There is. So we're going to call over Rosie to eat. Hopefully she's in a bit of a better mood now. I know food always makes me feel better. Oh, there she is. There you go, Rosie. Eat your food. And then let's go to the kitchen and we'll say hi to Isla. Yeah. Let's talk about toys. Hugs. Aw. Awesome. So Emilia, thank you so much for taking care of them. I hope you enjoyed seeing your sim. Bye.